I will cut the first part. Okay, fine. And I am going to start a new lesson, that is getting started with Python. Okay, so since you are PUC first year, so you don't know anything about Python software. That's why the name of the lesson what we are seeing is getting started with Python. So Python, if you listen the word Python, what image comes to your mind? Obviously name of a snake. Okay, so the reason behind why they have kept this name is the owner, okay, the person who created this software, his name is Guido van Rossum. So if you have brought the notes, you can write down his name, okay, who is the inventor of this Python programming software. Okay, so his name is, yeah, spell it what it is, Guido van Rossum. Okay, he was from Netherlands, okay, and he developed a software. He was a computer scientist, okay. He developed a software and he named that software name as Python. And the reason behind why he named this software as Python is he was very much inspired by a cartoon, okay. During his time, during 1970s and 1960s, he was very much inspired by a particular cartoon. Everyone like one cartoon series, right? So similarly, he was also inspired with his favorite cartoon, and the cartoon series, animated series name was Monty Python's Circus. Okay, so in that animated series, main character was Python. The main character was of Python. So he was very much inspired by that. So he developed a software, and to that software he gave the name as Python. From then onwards it became popular. Okay, so the reason behind its popularity is it is free. The Python software is free to download. That's why we call it as open source. Okay, Python is open source. The meaning of open source is it is free of cost. Anyone can go to Google Chrome and download it. Understanding? So that's why it is popular. Okay, and it is very much user friendly. You can use it very easily, like how you use your notepad. Okay, you worked in MS Word, right? You all work in MS Word, correct? Typing work you did. How much easy it was? It was very easy, no? Yes. Similarly, Python interface is also very easy. Like how I have typed this word here. Similarly, you can also type programs, statements in that interface easily. Understanding? So this is a brief introduction about how the name came. Okay. Now, I said that Python is a programming language. So programming, where does this word programming came from? Program. Okay, so you need to understand what is the meaning of program. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತೈತಿ program ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. So if I tell any one of you, I will tell you, go to your class and bring one marker. If I tell, so what steps you will follow? I will give the order. Go outside, bring the marker from your class. First thing what you will do? Answer. First what you will do? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? First step is you will start. Then you will come outside the lab. Okay. After coming outside the lab, you will take the straight direction. Then you will take a left turn. Then you will take a right turn, and you will get upside the steps. Okay. You will go to the top floor using steps. Then you will move forward again. Then right side only you are having what? Your classroom. You will enter into the classroom and you will think what I had told you to do. Then that marker you will take and you will follow the same route and you will come back and give it to me. Then the task is what? Accomplished. So to do this task, what you did? You followed rules or no? Some set of rules you followed. So all this set of rules which is followed is called as a program, single program. Understanding? Program is nothing but set of rules followed is called as a program. Like how we follow algorithm. Understanding, no? This is very, very important lesson. This is the basic start of your upcoming future. Understanding? So understand the meaning of program. Program is a set of rules which you will follow. To play the game also you need to follow some rules. Correct? If you don't follow that rules, what will happen? Fall will happen, or you may lose the game. Understanding? So similarly, that is also a program. How to play the game. Okay. So these all are programs. All these programs we need to make understand to the computer. We understand this. Understanding. ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? If I talk with computer, will it respond? No, right? Yes. To make computer understand, we need to learn computer-based language. Understanding? So we have so many languages which computer will understand. In that one language is Python. Understanding? Why Python we have considered? Because it is easy, popular, free, open source software. Anyone can download and start using it. Understood, no? Yes. Now I will show you how to start Python software. Okay. Any doubts still here? Okay. Fine. Yes. Yes. Now I will show you how to on the Python software. Okay. First thing what you have to do is open Google Chrome, search for Python software. Then first website will come, python.org. First website. Click on that and download for Windows. If you are using in computer desktop, download it for Windows software. It will get downloaded and from there it will be installed. After it is installed, how to on it in the computer, that I will show you now. Understanding? So see carefully, this is the very first step. As soon as you come to the lab or for the practical examination, how to open the Python software. Okay. So first step, you have to go to start button. Clear? This is the start button. I clicked start button. After I clicked start button, one box came, right? Name of this box is start menu. Okay. Now in this menu we have all the applications which are present inside the computer system. Okay. Now go to all apps. Go to all apps. Here search for Python folder. Okay. Here it is. One short method how to do it is, I will show you short method. Go to start button, go to all apps, click on A letter, go for P. In this we have Python folder. Click on this and you have to choose idle interface. Click on it and wait till it comes. This is the first this is the first phase, first screen of Python software. Understanding? Yes. You can open it. Open it now live. Yes. Okay. Opened. This interface came. So this is called as Python idle interface. What I told? Idle. So this is the platform as a service to use Python programming language. Understanding? So idle is nothing but a platform. You learned this in the cloud computing, right? So this provides us one platform to do the coding and see the output. Understanding? Yes. And uses of Python is, we use Python programming language for web development, for Facebook creation, Facebook application creation, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. All these world's most famous applications, including Snapchat, Flipkart, Amazon, all these are made using Python software. So you can imagine how much important is this. And in upcoming days also, the jobs which the jobs trending will be related to Python software only. Okay, for example, data analyst. He has to know how to use Python programming language. And in emerging trends, artificial intelligence is the emerging trend nowadays. For development of that emerging trends, we need to know what is how to use a program using Python software. Okay, so it is very, very important and it is very easy. Okay, so I will show you how much easy it is now itself. Okay, so here Python works in two modes. How many modes? Two modes. Remember, Python software works in two modes. The name of those modes are, first mode is interactive mode and second one is script mode. Python software works in two modes. One is interactive mode, one is script mode. Will you be able to remember? Interactive mode and script mode. This first interface which you are seeing now, first interface, that is interactive mode. We are into interactive mode now. As soon as I open idle software, that is interactive mode. Understood? This mode is interactive mode. So if you observe this mode, here what is written? Copyright Act is written. No one should copy this software and publish it again by giving another name like Cobra, Anaconda. No using that. Okay? So copyright message is also there. Then here, what is this? What you can see? 3 arrow marks, greater than marks. How it has a name. Adakond hesar aitri. Okay, we cannot read it as greater than greater than greater than. No, you have to read it as Python prompt. Prompt means instruction. Python instruction. Understanding? Idar the meaning enaitandra Python prompt. Python prompt ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಏನಾರ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಿರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪೈಥನ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಇದರದ ಹೆಸರು ಏನೈತಿ? ಪೈಥನ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್, ಮೋರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಆಫ್ ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೈಥನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಂಪ್ಟ್. ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೈಥನ್ command prompt. In short, we call it as Python prompt. We can also call it as Python command prompt, and in short it is also called as Python prompt. Prompt means instruction, what instruction we are giving. Understanding? Isn't it easy? Okay, now we will see our first instruction, first coding working in interactive mode. Next, later I will show you script mode. Okay, so see, it's so easy. I will write a program to display my name. How to display my name? Okay, so we will use a very basic and very important function, that is print function. Okay, print function we will use. Along with me, you can try putting your names. Python command prompt is here. Cursor is blinking, right? From there, type what I am typing on the screen. Okay, name is equal to put double quotation, write your name, close the double quotation and press enter key. Do it. And after pressing enter key, write small letters, print, 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 and open the curve bracket, parenthesis bracket we say, open it, then write this variable name. Name is equal to, you had written, no? Write name you had written, no, here, this one. That same you write inside the bracket. Written, then press enter. Then it should be small letters. Caps lock on idra off madkori. Understanding? Okay, next instruction. Yes, very good. Okay, see here you focus. See here, Python command prompt is written. You will press enter. If you have done any mistake here or you want to change the name, it is not possible. Okay, you have to press enter again until new command prompt comes. Until new Python prompt comes. There you have to try again. Understanding? So this is interactive mode, how it works. Interactive mode works in line by line. Line by line instructions are executed. Okay, first lesson daga ಕೇಳ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೇಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇತ್ತು, ನೆನಪೈತಿ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೇಟರ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಲೈನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಕಂಪೈಲರ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನೀವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, so this Python is a interpreter language, line by line execution ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, so in that two modes are there, interactive mode, script mode. This is interactive mode. Okay, you can use interactive mode as a calculator. Okay, I will type directly. See here, I am writing 7 plus 9, 16. You can use this as a calculator. Try.
Yes, sir.
Is it coming? You can put any operators, any formula, it will come there. You can use Python as a calculator. Understood? Yes. In the next class, we will work on script mode and we will start doing programs and we will finish this lesson. It will be easy for you for your upcoming midterm exam. It is very easy. Okay? Yes. Any doubts? Understood now? Yes, fine.